Hi, my name's Beth, and I'm a Sensible Nutrition Program Educator. Today we're going to talk about how to cook dried beans. First, we're going to wash our hands, and we need to wash our hands for a good 20 seconds with soap and warm water. Okay, here we have a bag of pinto beans. This bag of pinto beans is 2 pounds. 1 pound of dry beans cooks up to be about 5 to 6 cups of cooked beans. And beans are usually interchangeable. It doesn't necessarily matter which variety, pinto beans, kidney beans, black beans that you use. And so first thing we need to do is sort our beans. Okay, we're gonna measure out 2 cups of these pinto beans. We're going to put them on a cookie sheet or pie pan or whatever we got. So that we can sort them. And so we're going to sort this 1 cup at a time. We're going to just look and see if there's any rocks or stems in there because we don't want those in our beans. And those look good. So we'll pour that cup into a colander. Second cup in. We're going to check those really good. I don't see any foreign material in there, so we're going to put that in our colander also. Okay, so we're going to rinse these off because they're not clean. They're still a little dirty, so we're just going to run some cool water over top. Rinse them good. We're going to talk about the 2 methods of soaking our beans now. We're going to start with the overnight method. So we have our beans washed. We're going to put them in a bowl and make sure it's a pretty good size bowl, because as the beans soak, they swell and they'll soak up that water. So we have our 2 cups of beans in here, and we're going to add to that about 6 cups of water. So we have this 4 cups right here. And another 2 cups. So 6 cups of water in to soak those 2 cups of beans. When we soak our beans overnight, they need to be put in the refrigerator so that our beans are safe. We'll leave them either in there overnight or at least 6 to 8 hours.